The Miami LSO can be fitted and removed in standing or supine position. However, please check with your medical healthcare provider to ensure you are suitable for this. Loosen compression system handles. Fix them onto the belt after loosening. Detach the overlap closures. Stretch out the compression system to its full width by pulling the ends of the belt apart. This will make it easier to fit the brace next time. Wrap the belt around the waist. Center the back panel on the spine with the bottom just below your hip bones. Close the belt. You can use the quick fit pocket for easy donning. Slide your thumbs through the blue holes in the pulley system handles and pull outward until the brace is at the appropriate tightness. Do not over-tighten.